All rise for Justice Molaris. Order in the court. Today's case, the missing tooth trial. Dental bridge versus dental implant.
Finally, some real dental drama.
Dental bridge. State your purpose.
Your Honor, I close the gap. I bridge the space using the neighboring teeth. Fast. I am basically dental architect. Architecture? You lean on the neighbors. Excuse me, I provide teamwork. That is one way to say it.
Enough. This is a courthouse, not a group chat.
I close the gap with support. Support? You shaved me! We were fine before this.
I do not borrow support. I become the support. Dental implant. Your statement.
I replace the missing tooth root. I go into the bone, then a crown goes on top. I do not need to shave down the neighboring teeth.
Wonderful. Very independent. Also very surgical.
True, I need planning, enough bone, healthy gums, and healing time. I am not a magic screw. Your Honor, not every case needs an implant.
Explain.
Sometimes a bridge is a good option. No surgery. If the neighboring teeth already need crowns, or if a patient needs a fixed option, I may be the right choice. Fair. But healthy neighboring teeth should not be cut without reason. That was annoyingly reasonable.
Progress. In my courtroom. Rare. Call the witness.
The gap takes the stand.
State your name.
I am the gap. Food gets stuck in me. Teeth may shift toward me. Chewing feels weird, and everyone pretends not to see me. I can close that gap. I can problem.
Same problem. Different solution.
The court turns to diagnose evidence. The presenting needs a checklist. Bridge or implant is not decided by vibes.
Finally, evidence with manners.
Diagnosis first, treatment plan second.
Proceed with facts. Let us begin with bridge. Fixed replacement. Uses neighboring teeth. Undering teeth for support. A stable option. Maybe faster in some cases. Practical if adjacent teeth already need crowns. Efficient. Elegant. But it may require preparing neighboring teeth. Noted. A respectable argument. Continue.
Now, implant. Replaces the missing root. Root replacement. Not just a crown. Does not rely on adjacent teeth the same way. Independent but not effortless. Needs enough bone. Healthy gums. Usually more planning and healing time.
Very modern of you.
I am patient. Literally.
Same problem. Different methods.
Diagnosis. Decides.
Verdict. No universe restore the missing tooth. Both different solutions.
Someone asked what I need. Diagnosis guides the choice.
The right treatment for the right patient. Case closed. The best choice is the one that fits your case.